3, let's go!
Hey guys, this is Harshala. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought of doing 5 minutes makeup challenge. And I've been seeing these kind of videos all over the internet, and I thought this is such a fun video and like a fun challenge to take up. So I thought, why not just take it up and do it and see how it goes. To know how it did in this challenge, keep on watching. And I also did manage getting this look just in 5 minutes straight. And if you want to know how I managed getting this look, then please keep on watching. I also really tried hard making my eyeliner, like, can you see it? So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So yeah, I'm just gonna start with the timer now. It's gonna be 5 minutes timer. So I'm just putting that on my phone. Where is it? So that's my 5 minute timer. So I'm just gonna start with the makeup. I'm not really gonna edit this video as I really want to keep it as raw as possible. And yeah, I'm just gonna start with the makeup. So starting my timer now. Okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is use my Lakme Absolute Mousse. That's what I use every single day. And I'm just gonna pat it all over my face. Pat it all over my face. I'm using the mirror to see my face. I'm already like I anyway don't put a lot of product and don't do a lot of things. Also, don't get scared by the way I'm rubbing my face. It's not that rigorous, it's really soft. And I don't know why am I talking so much, because if I keep on talking, this makeup's never gonna... Oh my god, I'm already 1 minute, 2 minutes down, I think. Shit. Okay, so I think that's pretty much blended, and next I'm just going to use the same powder to puff it a bit. Yeah, I think that should do. Also, I don't know why is it looking so whitish on the screen, but this is my skin tone, guys, and I think the next thing that I'm going to do is just put on some blush with the same brush. Okay, I have very less time. I'm just going to try and do my liner, which is going to be a task, but I just hope I do it because that's how I like my eyes. Otherwise, I don't know, I don't really step out of my house without doing my liner. Okay, doing a liner was a bad idea, I suppose. I just have 2 minutes. I think that's it. I'm just gonna do my lashes and look extremely stupid in front of the camera. What you gonna do? Okay. I have 1 minute 30 seconds left. Okay. I'm almost done with my lipstick as well. Oh my god, 1 minute. I really don't have any product left. Also, I usually do like a nude lip. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm just gonna do, I have 45 seconds left. I'm just gonna do my brows because that just makes your look so much more defined, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it quickly. 30 seconds. Also, I'm using the Miniso palette and I've been absolutely loving the palette. Okay, I just have 15 seconds left. Okay, okay, that's it. And I think I'm just going to do the last. Do I have time? Okay. So we are done and the timer is out. So yeah, you guys, this is how I look. This is the maximum that I could do in 5 minutes straight. Not that bad, I guess. The only thing that went wrong was the liner, but I'm still pretty happy with the way it turned out. I really like it. I did mess it up a bit here when I was doing this eye, but otherwise I think I did pretty well. Except for the I think a highlighter, I did everything else, and also I forgot to curl my lashes. I think if I would have done that, it would have been amazing. But yeah, otherwise I'm pretty happy about it. I think I like it. Let me know how I did in the comment section below, and do let me know if you like it. Also, do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, as it would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.